I'm an addict for sneakers.
Alright, so I just got this package from Footlocker. I was about to open it and I realized why not film it and check it out together. I got the greatest camera girl on the planet, my daughter here. And, whoa, what is this? Oh my goodness, we just did a video looking at them. We did a vlog earlier today at the mall looking at them being like, these are so sick. And they actually ended up sending us. Oh my goodness, do you see this? What? This is crazy. All right. Is that not crazy? Unbelievable. Look at it. Look at this, Alyssa. How crazy is that?
Whoa.
Remember we were looking at sneakers at Footlocker earlier? If you didn't watch the vlog from earlier, watch that vlog. It's an awesome vlog. You get to see my son in it crawling and jamming out to some Run DMC. It's a cool video. But yeah, let's set this up and let's check out what's in this. This is crazy right here. All right, so we're back and running. I just realized this sweater I'm wearing is actually something that Footlocker sent me last Christmas. And I was not expecting anything from Footlocker today. This is so cool. And watch out 1 second, babe. I just want to take this out. It's so cool to get this. I mean, I was literally, all of us were literally at the mall doing a vlog. I posted it. And it's just crazy how things work out. How we ended up getting this. And the box is incredible, right? Look at the box.
It has Bumblebee on it.
Yeah. See? Bumblebee. And it's a nice box. The material, it's not like a cheap kind of like cardboard. It's like, it feels like really nice. So I'm like super impressed by it, and it just is super cool, man. Got your Footlocker branding right there. You have your Puma branding, Puma Lab right there. So let's get into it. Let's open this thing up. Oh my goodness. Oh, it came with a toy. So the card says, enjoy a pair of Puma RSX Transformers available now at Footlocker. And the cool thing about me unboxing this is the fact that I went and filmed a video at Footlocker. Like, man, I really dig these sneakers. So like, it's just so crazy that I got this in hand. So this is the new Bumblebee toy right here, which is awesome. The box looks super cool. That's Optimus Prime right there, I'm pretty sure. That's not Bumblebee right there, right? That's Optimus Prime. So let's, yeah, that's Optimus Prime. Look, it's clearly Optimus Prime. So let's open these up together. You've seen them already. We were at the mall earlier. Remember?
Yeah, I remember these.
Alright, so here we go now. Close-up HD look at these amazing shoes right here. You have got your mesh, your hit of reflective, nice gray. I mean, it's very soft leather right there. You got your gray tinted translucent. That was great. I love how they have the stitches red right there, where it's like subtle, but you know, you can see the red. It's a really nice touch. They did a great job doing this colorway. You know, sometimes, not just Puma, just in general, you know, when they do these kind of collaborations, they drop the ball. And this is coming from someone that loves shoes and loves concepts. And I expect nothing but the best. I mean, nail it. If you're doing something that has to do with another brand, go for the 10. You know, don't hit us with a 7 or an 8. Like, nail it. And they really did nail it on these. I think they did a great job. I'm happy they didn't make it like all yellow. It just would have been just so simple. And it's just enough where you have enough yellow there and you have branding on the tongue, which is important. It's important to have branding on the shoes. This is what helps tell the story. I mean, that is just bonkers. You have a chromed out logo, and I actually have Simba the cat with me. Everyone say hi to Simba the cat. Leave in the comments. Hi, Simba. But yeah, you got the chromed out logos that just sells it, and it's just fantastic. I love the poles right here. It says pull me. As far as the fit, go true to size on this model. You should be good to go. If you have like the super wide foot, the cinder block, Fred Flintstone, dinosaur foot, super wide, then go up half a size. But if not, stay true to size. You should be good to go. You don't want these fitting long because they're going to crease right here. It's going to look ugly. Right there is where it's going to crease like crazy. So you want to make sure that they fit to your foot exactly. Definitely. Major tip. And you got a little bit more of that reflective right there like you have over here on the toe. And then on the insole you have Bumblebee right there, which is so great. And then on the other side of the shoe you got the Transformers logo and the Puma logo. Love it. And then there's a look at the outsole right there. Check out the traction. And if you haven't hit the thumbs up button, please do so. Please subscribe. I also have a podcast over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. Check it out. Hour-long Q&A, giveaways, lots of fun. And I also have my Sneaker Addict t-shirts. That all will be linked in the description box below, along with these actual shoes too. And they have them in the Optimus Prime colorway too, which is an amazing colorway also. I did a video showing both of these shoes already when I was doing this mall vlog, doing holiday shopping. You like better? Leave that in the comments. Definitely check that video out. It's really a lot of fun. You get to see me interact with my kids, all three of them, even my son Maddox, who's 9 months old. The end, he steals the show. You gotta watch the end of the video where he's crawling. It's a lot of fun, so check out that video. Comes with another set of laces, so you have other options right there, which is awesome. I love when they do that. Yellow. What are you gonna go with? White or the yellow? What would you go with?
The white, because it has no white on the shoe. This over here and over here.
So you think it'll pop more?
Yeah.
Being that one has on the midsole?
Yeah.
I think the white laces will look the best with these. And I do love options. I mean, I'd rather them give us the options of being able to switch them out than not having any option at all. So I dig that. All right, looking on feet, look at them logos. I had to throw them on feet real quick and show you guys. Definitely go true to size. That's the move. True to size on them. And leave your comments. Let me know what you think of them. Leave that in the comment box below. And you know I gotta hit you with that infamous burp, 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 bird's eye view. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much to Footlocker. This was an awesome surprise. I highly recommend these. And man, like, both of the colorways are crazy. The Optimus Prime colorway is out of control. Definitely check them out. I will link them in the description box below. And like, man, I'm just so happy to have these because I was gonna pick them up, but you know, I got so much Christmas shopping, so I gotta chill. I was thinking about picking them up in a couple of weeks, and I'm really happy to have these right here. I love the back. Look at that back. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
See the logo right there, all chromed out? Really awesome. You gotta make these in little kid sizes, right?
Yeah.
I know they don't have them in, I'm pretty sure they don't have them in little kid sizes. But they definitely need to start doing that with stuff like this, like collabos when it comes to like the kids and everything, because my girls love Transformers. They love all that stuff. So definitely, Puma, if you're watching, make them for the kids, the little kids, you know, right?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. And we out.
Bye. Bye.
Thumbs up the video, please, too. Bang, 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 bang. And subscribe if you're new. We out!